English test for grade 7. Tono is a letter for his parents. Writes or writing. Number 2. Tono blah blah blah, a letter for his parents. Every night. Writes, writing. Which expression is used when parting with someone in the afternoon? Good afternoon, good night, goodbye. I'm really sorry for being late. The answer is thank you, no problem, or goodbye. What do you say to thank to someone? Thank you, no problem, goodbye. And next question. What do you say to someone in the first time that you never know before? How are you? How do you do? Good morning. How to apologize to someone? How are you? Thank you. Or I'm sorry. Next question. The response of someone says thank you is anytime. Thank you. I'm sad to hear that. If you accidentally step on someone's foot, you should say, sorry, nice to meet you, how do you do? The response of someone says, how are you is, nice to meet you, how do you do, I'm very well. Check your answer with your teacher. Thank you, bye-bye.